today what I want to do is I want to change an old light fixture that came with the house, and I want to add a new, more modern look to it with the seated glass ceiling light fixture. These are small, cheap, do-it-yourself touches that you can do to your home to make it more lively. So without further ado, we'll start. Let's see what came in this box. Boom. Not too much stuff in the contents of this box, as you can see. We got the screws and the twist ties here. We got directions that are confusing. We have the mount itself and the glass. We have to buy the bulb separate, all right? And this is the bulb I use, the 40 watt LED 310 for the nice little aesthetic. All right, so first things first, when working with electricity, we have to turn off the power to whatever wiring system we're gonna use. So I'm doing over the stairwell light. So I'm gonna turn off my electricity so I can continue to work on replacing the light. All right, so next step, now that I got the electricity off and the light switch off, I'm gonna take off the screws here to this old fixture. See, easy breezy. I'm gonna take this bulb out. Gotta tug a little because of the paint. Then I'm gonna pull these wires down. And then we're gonna untwist the old light. All right, so as you can see, you have the white wire, the black wire, and the ground wire. So it's simple. We're gonna connect the same wires from the new light to this old light, all right? But first, before we do that, I'm gonna paint around the light so that that's covered up. So here's a better look at the equipment. This is the glass shade. This is the mounting base, and this is the mounting bracket. So the bracket is gonna go on the mounting base. First, the bracket is gonna go into the ceiling, then the mounting base is gonna connect to that, right? With these screws in the side. Now, these are the screws that we're gonna use to put the mounting bracket into the ceiling in the light fixture that's already put up there for us. With these, we're gonna connect these wires with the same color as the wires coming out the ceiling, and we're gonna twist them together to get that electricity to run through it. And with that, if everything goes well. All right, so the first thing, we're gonna put on this mounting bracket. So we need the metal mount bracket and we need the 2 screws. So we're gonna bring this up to the ceiling. See this little circle thing we got right here? We're gonna put those wires from the ceiling into it. And then we're gonna set up these, we're gonna put these screws into these screw holes. The mounting base. So now we got the mounting base, 2 little screws, and I got the twist caps ready. So I'm gonna put this. All right, so like I said before, we're gonna connect black on black. Tie it really tight so they don't come loose. it. Push these up as far as they can go. And that's how the base is gonna go. Now, before this all goes up there, you wanna unscrew this twisty thing here, because that's where that's gonna help the glass base stick up there. So now we're gonna need those 2 small screws to put in here. Alright, now we got the glass base and the light bulb and the twisty thing that we took off, which is gonna hold this in place. And that's pretty much it. Now let's see if this worked. Alright, so that's it. Easy breezy. Hope you found it helpful. Until next time, shalom.